questions. So it's not powerful questions. I've seen there are actually books, 100 powerful questions or 1,000 powerful questions for coaches. No, a powerful question is a question that brings biggest shift for your listener. That will be powerful question for that person. There is no one question which is powerful for everyone. And there is no one question which is powerful for one person every time. One question would be really powerful in one situation for one person, not powerful for that same person in some other situation. Okay. So a lot of people get into this, I need those powerful questions, a list of powerful questions. That's a wrong direction to look into and to think in.